I would like to show you how to add the Google Translate Chrome extension. First, open a new tab. Second, search Google Translate Chrome extension. There it is. Okay, so chrome.google.com, Google Translate. This is one way to find it, or you could search Chrome Web Store, Chrome Web Store, and search Google Translate. And here it is. Okay, so they are the same. Then add to Chrome, add extension, okay. Once you add the extension, click this puzzle piece and pin the extension here. Then click the 3 dots for more actions and manage extension. Make sure it is on. I like to allow access to file URLs. I like to allow incognito. Then, most importantly, click extension options. What is your primary language? Is it Spanish? Is it Portuguese? Is it Russian? Is it Chinese? Click your primary language. I will click Spanish. When I select a word or phrase, I will click immediately display pop-up and save. Okay. All right. Now, you can see my Google Translate extension here. Okay. When I open a window and I want to read this window in Spanish or Russian or Portuguese, I will click the Google extension and it says translate this page. Click here and notice the web page is now in Spanish. Now I can read the story in Spanish. Also, if you want to read the story in English, let's see here. It's in English now, but I'm not sure what a certain word means. What is indictment? Indictment. Oh, accusation. What is enforcement? Oh, aplicación. What is continuously? Oh, continuamente. What is debate. Ah, el mismo. What is cotton? Algodón. What is finished? Finalizado. What is a standing ovation? Ah, ovación de pie. Okay? I hope you enjoy this Google Translate extension.